Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. We are continuing with the situation of profit sharing ratio at the time of the admission, case 2. In this case, we are going to discuss when it is given that old partner is surrendering a part of his share. So here focus is on of his share. So, in the given statement, as it's written, A and B sharing profits in the ratio 4 is to 1, C is admitted. For what part C is admitted is not given, but it's mentioned that A is surrendering one half of his share and B is surrendering one third of his share. So, now we need to calculate new and sacrificing ratio. So, let's see how to calculate. As in the question, it's given A surrendered one half of his share. A surrendered one half. So we're gonna take over here. What is A sacrifice here is one half of his share. What was his share? That was 4 by 5. So we are taking one half of we need to multiply. So you have to keep in your mind whenever of is given you have to multiply it. But when we have to multiply, we have to see with which part we have to multiply. Here it's given A surrendered one half of his share. That means he is talking about A has surrendered a part of his share. So what was A's share? That was 4 by 5. So here we took one half of A's share, one half of 4 by 5. So we got 2 by 5. So what is A's sacrifice here is 2 by 5. Now what about B's sacrifice? For B's sacrifice, question is saying B surrendered one third of his share. Again question saying of. So to consider of his share, what was B's share? That was 1 by 5. So we took B's sacrifices one third of his share. One third of his share. So one third of his share is 1 by 15. So what is B's sacrifice now? 1 by 15. What is A's sacrifice? That is 2 by 5. And what is their mutual sacrifice if we have to calculate? We will take 2 by 5 sacrifice of A and another sacrifice for your partner B over here. 2 by 5 is to 1 by 15 is their sacrifice individually. To make it equate with denominator, we multiplied first value with 3. Now we got 6 by 15 is to 6 by 15. So what is their mutual sacrifice? That is 6 is to 1. For calculation of premium for goodwill distribution, which ratio would be used? That is this mutual ratio. But when we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio, which sacrificing ratio we will consider? This one, that is 2 by 5 and 1 by 15. So now let's see how to calculate new profit sharing ratio. For new profit sharing ratio, formula goes with old minus sacrifice. Now A's new share, old share was 4 by 5. What was his sacrifice? 2 by 5. So minus after deducting we got A's new share is 2 by 5. For B, old share was 1 by 5. The sacrifice was 1 by 15. Taking LCM, we got a value over here 2 by 15. So A's new share is 2 by 5. B's new share is 2 by 15. But what about C's new share? C's new share question was silent. So we took over here A's sacrifice plus B's sacrifice. What was A's sacrifice? That was 2 by 5. What was B's sacrifice? That was 1 by 15. We added them both here. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 15, we got a value from here is 7 by 15. So what is new ratio now? 2 by 5, 2 by 15, and 7 by 15. When we put all of them together, it was 2 by 5, making the denominator equating with 15 and 15. We need to multiply it with 3. So we got new share 6 by 15, 2 by 15 is to 7 by 15, and the new ratio is 6 to 7. So this is how we calculated in the case of whenever it's given of his share, that someone is surrendering some part of his share, we will have to multiply it as I told you. Thank you for the day. Accountitude, like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep scoring. Goodbye.